Hello and welcome to another episode of Intellect Digest. I am your host Dipali. So without much ado, let's get started. One of the biggest problems that we face while using iPhones is that their charging cables break over time. Within a few months of usage, lightning cables often tend to break. Worst part is that they are not cheap to buy and you will have to shell out some amount of money for a new cable which will also break with usage. But what if you get a lightning cable that won't break no matter how much you use it? Don't be surprised as Nonda has a lightning cable which will solve all your troubles. In this video, I will review the Zeus Kevlar reinforced USB-A to lightning cable. The Zeus lightning cable is claimed to be durable to such an extent that the company actually dares its customers to break it. This cable is made with Kevlar fiber and braided nylon and is designed to last a lifetime. Kevlar is the same material that is used in bulletproof vests. The company has actually conducted a third-party test on the cable that bent it over 15,000 times without breaking. This cable has length of 1.2 meters or 4 feet, which means that you can use it comfortably even if the charging point is at some distance. The USB-A end of the cable sits at a right angle, which helps it fit into tight spaces better. This cable is intelligently designed to last forever. The nylon braiding material of the cable makes sure that it remains tangle-free. It comes with a Velcro tie to keep it organized. We charged our iPhone using Zeus lightning cable and we did not face any issue. It charged our iPhone pretty fast. You can use it to charge your iPhone, iPods and iPads. Icing on the cake is that it comes with lifetime warranty, which other lightning cables usually don't offer. If your Zeus cable breaks from normal wear and tear, then the company will replace it. Apart from lightning cable for Apple devices, it also comes in micro USB and USB Type-C variants, which are built with the same standards and come with lifetime warranty. It is priced under $20, which is around Rs 1300. So if you're looking for a cable for your smartphone or tablet that will survive all the bending and flexing without breaking, then you should go for the Zeus Kevlar charging cable. If you want to buy one for yourself, then we are leaving direct links in the description section below. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please leave a thumbs up by pressing the like button. For more such videos from Intellect Digest, make sure you hit the red subscribe button. This is your host Dipali signing off. Thanks for watching and have a great day.